Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about that hip flexors and quads muscles. A lot of people, they slouch forward, they're sitting, they get that hip flexors is contracted, the quads muscles become weak. When you stand up, your glutes is weak, everything is weak when we're sitting too much. So, especially this exercise, especially for the man, because we want that hip explosion. We want that hip is contracted. Everything is come from here. You're squatting, you're deadlifting, so you push through your hips and you extend your hips. Also, what we're teaching here in this exercise, how to shift your weight back. You see, you shift it, you're ready to go. Your whole muscle is ready, and when you explode, you extend and contract all those muscles, activate your glutes, your quads. So simple. The bands, your band attached to the door. I have a Sweden wall. You can do to anything which is not going to be movable. Don't put on the stool or table or kitchen table. You're going to flip it off and it's going to falling down. I saw this many times. So don't get injury. This is most important. This is what I learned after 40. Safety first. All right, so you step inside the band, get that like a belt area. Put the tension as much as possible. What you're doing here is you see it's like, I feel it already. So I leaning back, I load my glutes is ready. I use my arms to push and pull that, squeeze my quads. You see the quads is working my glutes. And this is the exercise. You can also apply the kettlebell and do the kettlebell swing, which is even better because it's gonna help you a little bit more. If you start doing kettlebell, this is the great exercise to learn that nice swing, to hold your back straight, not to round it, not to slouch, and activate your glutes. You can do single leg, yes. If I'm walking, if this is my walk, I'm always walking with my right foot forward. Guess what? My ilium is gonna turn. This one has become weaker. This is always stronger. I do both sides. All you need to do, just step away and do one line. And same thing, shift it back, forward. Oof, I do feel that. That's really challenging because it starts trying to rotate me. And try to do different, both side, and see the difference. You see, you slouch, you lean, and feel great. If, let me get this one, if you don't have the Sweden wall, it's another one. Let's take this one up. I have to prepare. If you have a knee pains all the time, grab some pad, towel. That's gonna work. So, I don't have any, but I will show you. So, come up on your knees, both knee. This band is coming. You step inside, so it's like this, right on that foot. So you see, you're pushing on your foot. Now, this one is coming around you and apply, let me go this way, to that heel, just like that. You see, right there. This band is coming, adjust it, make sure it's straight around here. You see, on the both one. You can go under, you can go on the top. The most safer if you're going inside. So if you step inside, and that's gonna be around. So you put this right in here. Yeah, I feel more safer. Now, this band is challenging. Oof. And you start leaning back and step forward. You push it out. Yeah, here we go. And this is the one. Struggle. If you, like I said, have knee pain, put the pad and extend. Squeeze. You see, I load my glutes and push. I load them up. Get that quads, okay? Don't stretch your quads. A lot of people start stretching the quads. Let me put this away. And that's the issue. Make them weaker. You don't want to make your quads weaker. Especially with the age, the weaker quads give you a lot of trouble. Like a stairs walk, lifting stuff, your legs have to be stronger. I don't want to do squats anymore. I don't want to load my spine because I have an issue, which is I prefer just strengthening my glutes with the bands. But like I said, all different strategy. Make sure you have to load your body. Let's say it this way. You have to load a little bit heavy your body, and it's gonna help you in your health. So be smart. Use the bands, use this exercise if you need that glute stronger and that quads. Don't stretch your quads. One more time. You guys enjoy your day. See you next time.